Oh! That is bizarre. Oh, look, it just picked up right there.
I don't know. Anywhere but here, it has done it.
My friends, do you think all this is natural, or have humans had a hand in it? The one thing's for sure, the power of nature is undeniable. So if you're enjoying this here on the Natural Levels, don't forget to hit that like and support the channel.
I've never caught the bison.
If you enjoy learning about weather events and natural phenomena, subscribe by clicking the button and become part of the Nature Levels community.
If you are also impressed with this transformation,
County is under tornado warning at this time.
Go and fly through the intersection. Let's go.
Yeah, some of the area around me and such is power outages at this time, so we'll...
It's like a little breeze. We'll see if we're going to get it. I think I'll go on the road.